Not gonna lie, it's really annoying when your Nest Hub is not finding or not connecting to the new or old Wi-Fi. Maybe connects for a while, but then again disconnects frequently. You're seeing check internet connection error. In this video, we're gonna show you how to fix this Wi-Fi internet not connecting issue on your Google Nest Hub 2nd generation. Now, especially if it frequently disconnects, make sure it's placed near to your router. If that didn't help, just go ahead, plug out your device, wait for around 10 to 30 seconds, and then just plug it in and restart your Nest Hub. At the same time, if it's convenient for you, you can just restart your router as well. Now, you can check with another device that they are having network issues. If other device is connecting to your Wi-Fi without any problem, now just open Home app, from Devices, tap on a device name, to Settings, to Device Information, tap on Wi-Fi, and from here forget your current Wi-Fi network. And then scroll down and remove the device from your Home app. And after that, hard reset your Nest Hub by press on this volume up and down button together for 10 seconds. After that, when it's on setup mode, reset up it with your Home app, and when prompted, either reconnect your Nest Hub with the same network, or if other Wi-Fi networks are available to you, connect your Nest Hub with that network. And after that, your Wi-Fi not working on your Nest Hub 2nd generation problem should be solved. Let us know in the comment section how that went. Thank you for watching.